Okay, Nick, Victor here again. So here are your mirrors on the vehicle installed. We're just going to operate them. This car is a 96, so let's just see what we got. As we can see, mirrors opens, they both open and close, pretty much the same speed, which is great. Fully open, fully closed, nice and tight. The frames are good on both. So that's that. Okay, let's do the motion. Now, right mirror first, the passenger side. I'm going right on the switch. I'm going left on the switch now. Okay, going up with the switch and down on the switch. As you can see, operation is proper. On the right side mirror, so all the wires are properly soldered. Let's do the left one. I'm going left with the switch. I'm going right on the switch. I'm going up with the switch. And I'm going down on the switch. And here we have it. Adjustment, well, to my height is going to be something like that. Alright, so that looks okay. Rain is about to start, so these mirrors are like kind of like on the flimsy side, so they're not like 92 mirrors, but wires look okay. They're inside the guide. You see this metal guide, the wires have to be inside. That's the way they are. And I know it's kind of a design flaw that they grind against that guide, but that's just the way they are. There's nothing to do about them. That's how originals are, regardless. So unfortunately, that's the design flaw. If I'm gonna tie them all up over here and zip tie them, then they will rip themselves out because they have to go in and out when mirror folds. Okay, I still haven't done the little retainer here, which I'm going to do next when I've taken back inside. That is that. The same on the other side. The other side does not have glass. I received it without the glass itself, but the concept is the same. As you can see, these wires are just like that. I mean, they cannot be tightened up. Do not try to do anything with them because you're gonna rip them out. You're gonna damage the connectors, so they have to be loose, and that's just the way they are. Tightness is just about right. That's how they all are. And one more thing I wanted to do, we'll try to do memory. Let's see, memory. Okay, here they start moving. That one was moving and moving. I guess that's for customer's wife. And then the other memory. See, they follow. If they follow, that means, yeah, that's probably the customer sitting. Oh my God, he's a very tall guy, so far away from the steering wheel. Let's just do, mess up the memory now. Let's just do my setting. Let's say potentiometers. That's what I want to see, if potentiometers work. Alright, so I'm gonna set the memory to number 1 here on the switch, and then I'm going to misplace mirrors. So we're gonna go all the way up, let's say, and we're gonna go all the way to the right. Okay, all the way to the right, all the way up. Okay, same thing on the left side, all the way left and all the way up. That one went all the way right. Now I'm pressing the memory and they're supposed to return. So here is returning. Perfect. Same on that mirror too. Just let me show you again. Let's go all the way left this time and all the way up. I'm hitting the memory. That mirror does return to the position what it was memorized at. So perfect. So we have full functionality on both sides, folding, unfolding. I'll show you about the wires. Both fold in. You see, if we're gonna do, see when mirror folds in, you see the wires, they follow in. I cannot make them any shorter because then they will stress the plug. So they have a little bit of a loop here when mirror folds in. So unfortunately that's the design, and there's not much that can be done with that design. A low retainer here is just something that, like I said, I'm gonna do. And when you open them, I'll try to show you by unfolding the mirror. I don't know if camera picked it up, but you see wires are extended. Alright, so this is gonna be all for me. The mirrors are basically ready to go. We fold them back in, close windows, and as a matter of fact, I just noticed on the customer's mirror, the driver's side is broken. I have to actually service it a little bit. But your mirrors are pretty much ready to go. Like I said, last retainer, and they're ready to be mailed out. The seal goes around nice, so I didn't tighten them up a lot, but this one is a pain, the bolt over there, last one, kind of difficult to do with cover on. Possible, but difficult, just aware of that. Without the cover it's obviously simpler. You get screwdriver right where you need to go. Right, so the frames all seem fine, everything looks good, and we're good to go. Alright, so this is it for me, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com.